Watchmaking, medical, and to be honest, every industry now is that the demand for smaller, longer drills is growing weekly, monthly. So there's more demand on us as manufacturers to make smaller, longer drills.
Everybody knows Guhring is a drilling specialist company, and today we're going to be talking about their micro drills. Your new drills, in fact. Tell us some more.
So this is our new micro drill, as you said. It's an extension of an already existing tool we do, which is kind of a universal drill. But this is a specialist in aluminium and non-ferrous materials.
Why have you brought it to market? I'm presuming people using perhaps a more general purpose tool and doing an okay job with it, but for people doing lots of aluminium, want something a bit more bespoke.
Exactly that, Joe. It's a specialist, basically, a material specialist. A lot higher feed rates, a lot better metal removal, and ultimately a lot quicker, which is what customers need. There's a big demand in machining non-ferrous materials in general, aluminiums, so we felt there was a gap in the market, so hence why we brought the drill out.
What sort of industries are you using micro drills that are bespoke for aluminium? Maybe, I don't know, maybe some unique watchmaking or maybe some electrical components?
Yeah, exactly that. As you said, watchmaking, medical, and to be honest, every industry now is that the demand for smaller, longer drills is growing weekly, monthly. So there's more demand on us as manufacturers to make smaller, longer drills.
Sure, and obviously you're a manufacturer, you make these on your own machines, and also you've got some fairly unique coatings, and I believe this is a new coating.
Yes, so this range, it has a Carbo Plus coating, which is a DLC coating. It's a very thin coating, and it's brilliant on non-ferrous materials and aluminiums. A lot smoother coating, a lot better chip flow, and obviously adds to the tool life. A lot more wear resistant. So, yeah.
And these are fairly new to the market, but I know you've got some existing users. What are they saying? What's the feedback like when you've tried against other Guhring drills and obviously competitor drills also?
Very good, Joe, very good. Yeah, early indications are it's a very, very good performing tool. Like you said, we already have a micro tool out that's kind of universal. But this kind of is a aluminium and non-ferrous specific tool.
So just to conclude, obviously you against your many competitors. Why is somebody going to invest in your aluminium micro drill than potentially some of the competitors?
I mean, one thing Guhring prides itself on is keeping everything in house, from manufacturing our own grinding machines to manufacture our own tools. We can control everything in-house, from the carbide manufacture that we do ourselves as well, to grinding a tool, to coating a tool, to end product.
And I guess that's important, isn't it, for many reasons, but if you're in charge of the whole process, obviously quality is going to be enhanced.
Exactly that. We keep it all under one roof. We don't sub anything out, which brings a lot of benefits to us as a company.
So if you can tell us more about the range, and now you find out more.
So the range, Joe, is on the non-through coolant option, we start at 0.5 of a millimetre up to 3 millimetres, and that's 6 times D. On the through coolant option, we start at 1 millimetre, and that goes up to 3 millimetres again, and that is at lengths of 6 times D, 10 times D and 15 times D. These are all stocked in the UK for next day delivery or same day collection. So yeah, if you reach out to a local Guhring rep, or if you just email info@guhring.co.uk, we'll be happy to help.